Hi, I'm Samapti. Today I'm going to tell you all about my must-have winter hair care products. So let's start. And first, I have hair oil. And for hair oil, you should know my channel. You know it. Say it. Yeah, say it, please. Safa. Safa blackseed oil. This is the oil I've been using for 7 years, 6 or 7 years, something like that. And I love it. Sometimes I do use coconut oil or jojoba oil or castor oil, but this blackseed oil is my must-have. So for this entire winter I'm gonna use blackseed oil. So how I use oil, I use at night. I really use a lot of oil for my hair and scalp. The next day I wash it off. This is what I do. I wash my hair twice in a week mostly. So yeah, so I oil my hair twice in a week. And then shampoo. For winter, what happens, my hair starts falling more than usual, so I try to use hair fall control shampoo. Though when it comes to like controlling hair fall from a shampoo is kind of, a shampoo can only clean your hair without irritating your scalp. A good shampoo, I mean uh, but can a shampoo control hair fall? I don't know, but I like to believe it does. I think that's what placebo is. So just for this extra thing, just to make myself feel good that okay, I'm doing something extra for controlling hair fall, I use hair fall control shampoos, and I have quite a few options like Yves hair fall control shampoo. Then I had this liquid hair fall control shampoo, and recently I've been using LBP hair fall control shampoo. But the Yves one I have been using for a long time. I use their hair fall control shampoo, their repair shampoo. But sometimes what I notice with this Yves hair fall shampoo, it makes my hair and scalp a little bit dry. So for that, I like to use this nourishing hair repairing shampoo sometimes, but that doesn't happen with Requil or LPP. But I somewhat find Yves shampoos to be more efficient, though their products are on the kind of expensive side, but still they have good stuff. And next, about conditioner and hair mask, I use Requil, Yves, then a Body Shop shea butter, hair butter, other stuff as well. But what is happening these days, see, I shampooed my hair 3 days back, and I have not used conditioner when I washed my hair last time. Why? Because I'm finding when I'm using a conditioner or hair mask these days, my hair is feeling kinda like, this doesn't have any body, and I want my hair to look like this. Like it should have some volume and body. So I'm finding what, when I'm skipping conditioner and I'm using just leave-on conditioners, my hair feels better some days, but there are days my hair needs some extra nourishment. So for those days I use conditioner or hair mask. For other days I just shampoo. Then I move on to my leave-on conditioners like hair serums and all. And so I'm thinking of, like, if I shampoo say 10 days in a month, 5 days I'm gonna use conditioner, and for 5 days I'm not gonna use conditioner. But that's me. If you think conditioners they help you like anything, your hair cannot do without conditioner, then that's totally fine too. But for me, I think this method is working fine, this 50-50 thing. So yeah, like 5 days I'm gonna use conditioner, and for 5 days I'm not gonna use conditioner. And then hair rinse, and for that I'm gonna use fermented rice water more diligently, because I'm not being consistent with this fermented rice water, and I think that has affected the quality of my hair. My hair felt better when I was using a fermented rice water like every week. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I have made a few videos on how I use rice water. You might find this to be helpful. So yeah, rice water is gonna be a must. And now hair serum, I currently have Moroccanoil hair serum and this new thing I bought is that L'Oreal Extraordinary something hair serum. So I need to finish these things, and after that I'm gonna buy something else. And these things are working fine. The Moroccanoil, it works better for my hair. Even the L'Oreal one is okay, but I find the Moroccanoil to be better, but that is way more expensive. Okay, I forgot. I also bought this Yves cream, leave-in cream, something like that. It's kind of like hair serum, not liquid, is in a cream form. So yeah, I'm gonna use that as hair, this scalp serum, those, you know, hair growth serum. And for that I have been using Pilgrim hair serum, and for my brows I have been using Minimalist one. And if you have more recommendations, then let me know. If you have like better, if you know like better hair serums for hair growth, do let me know. I'd love to try that, because I just have tried these two hair serums. Tata is snoring like anything. Come on. So yeah, I have used these two serums only from Minimalist and Pilgrim, and both of these things are nice, but the Minimalist one just makes my scalp a little warm, and many have pointed out it might happen because of the blood circulation. So for winter I might give it another try. Let's see if I feel comfortable with that or not. And yeah, that's all. These are the things I do for my hair. I don't do much, like too much for my hair. I try to protect my hair when I go out in the sun by using umbrella. Then I try to comb my hair every day properly. And if you have watched my channel, you knew I didn't comb my hair properly, and my hair used to get knots, bad knots. You can see this video. I used to have long hair. I had to cut my hair because I didn't comb my hair properly. So it's very important to comb your hair properly. Also, I try the hair inversion method. Sometimes, like, you know, I take my hair like this, I stand and I massage for like 30 seconds. Then that's all, morning and night. So yeah, this is what I do. So yeah, that's all for now. And henna, I used to do henna, but it's been a while. I have not used henna. I don't miss it anymore. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Gumao.